Welcome to another episode of Boat Snoop. I'm your host, Clinton Johnson. What we have for you guys today is a 2007 Hurricane 257. And this one, she actually includes a trailer. One of this vessel's brought her down so we could take pictures and video her. And we're actually going to take her out and show her run for you guys. Let's take a look at this trailer, take a look at the boat while she's out of the water, and we'll take a look at her closer once we got in the water, and then we'll run her for you. We have a Yamaha 250 horsepower 4-stroke. I apologize, it's a little bit of a windy day. Today down here in Bonita Springs, we're actually getting some really good rain. It's been coming through, and will be coming through for the next week. Just coming out of our dry season here in Florida. I know this is kind of a close-up shot. Can't see a whole ton. But we'll get some better shots once we get her in the water. All right, now we have her in the water. We'll check her out, get on board. Be pretty quick. You know, they're smaller boats, these Hurricanes. Do stick around to the end because we are going to get out in the water and see how she runs. Watch her plane. Watch her go from 0 to a little over 40 miles per hour in really no time flat. We do have an electric windlass up here. Do want to apologize for the wind today. I do have a protected microphone, but I know it's going to come through. Up here in the bow, we have a seating area where you can have two people lay out really comfortably. These Bowriders are really nice for I love sitting up in the front of them when you're underway. If you had just people sitting here, you could have, two people per chair, probably another person sitting there. But really just a really nice way to get out in the water. And that's why these boats have been so popular for years. I want to point out, Bimini canvas, that's in really good shape. Really nice. So move aft. Take a look first here, captain's chair. And here we have a Simrad chart plotter. When we're out, I did see engine RPMs up, speed go up. We have our stereo system down here, Kenwood. And we do have a head. And pretty good sized head. I can get down there. As we move back here, I do want to point out there's a huge storage area here. All we have to do is lift this door here in the deck and huge amount of storage. And here we go. Like I said, huge. Goes really far forward. Keep a lot of toys that you want to see, swim toys, whatever else, life vests, other additional equipment in here, even fishing poles. As we moved aft, we have a whole bunch of room for additional people to sit. Can easily fit 1, 2, 3, maybe 5 right there. We don't have it on right now on the boat, but that's the mount for a table, so everybody can sit around, eat lunch while sitting out on a sandbar. As we move on to the aft deck, another swim ladder right there. That's in addition to the one that is up forward on the bow. We have our Yamaha 250 horsepower 4-stroke right here with 766 hours. I do want to point out that we have one of these power pole shallow water anchors. And you'll see later in the video, we actually go up to a beach, we beach it, and then the owner of the vessel, he deploys this. That helps us anchor down the stern part of the boat so that the stern doesn't swing around into another boat. They're also used in fishing. You end up putting it down, and then you can put like a little side pole and tie up to it, or even throw an anchor out the front. They're really good for fishing or just anchoring yourself down in really shallow water if everybody wants to get out on a sandbar, swim around a bit, but really nice addition to this boat. Alrighty, folks, we are going to show you here just in a quick second. This boat coming from almost a standstill up to a plane. So let's hit it. Now, one of the great uses of these boats is people like to come up and park them up on the sand. So we're going to do that really quickly, show you us parking up on the sand. And then in addition, because we do have a power pole on the back that kind of acts like a stern anchor and keeps you from swinging around, we're going to deploy them. Well, thank you for joining me on another episode of Boat Snoop. I hope you liked this 2007 Hurricane 257. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos in the future from this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and I'll catch you next time.